In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to add the smooth slow motion effect to make your videos and vlog look more professional. So the first thing we gotta do is locate where we want the slow-mo effect to happen. In my case, just when he's about to jump and when the basketball hits the net. Make two cuts, in the beginning at the end of your clip. Select the clip you want the slow motion to happen and right-click it. Press speed and duration. Change the speed value to something between 50 and 30%. Check ripple edit shifting trailing clips because this clip will be way longer on our timeline after we hit OK and we don't want it to go over the rest of the clip and delete it. After that, right here change the time interpolation from free sampling to optical flow. This will add so much smoothness to our slow-mo effect. If the clip is lagging when you want to preview it, go to sequence, render in to out, and it will fix all the lag that might happen after we apply the slow-mo effect. It depends on the duration and the size of your clip, but it shouldn't take a long time. And at the end, it should look something like this. Simple and easy. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to check out this next tutorial.